Well, hello everyone. My name's David Richardson, and together with my colleague Dr. Brian Carter, we're going to try and show you a few of the basics of getting into Second Life and then moving around when you do. Now, if you are visiting Avalon, the learning island for language learning, for the very first time, it all starts with a web address. Now, probably you will have clicked on a link that your teacher has sent you, but web addresses or for places in Second Life are called SLURLs, Second Life URL. And when you click on that link, you come to a page that looks like this. You can see it says visit this location and teleport now. SLURLs always look a bit weird. Like the one up here, 11/194, etc. Those are just specific locations in Second Life. When you get to this page, click on Teleport Now, and what happens is that the Second Life program starts opening, because you can only get into Second Life through the client program at the moment. Now, if your computer doesn't work quite as fast as mine, don't worry, just have some patience. Partly we've set it up so that this works quickly, but also I'm on a very, very fast network here. Down at the bottom of the screen you can see your avatar name, first name, last name, your password and login. And this will take you to wherever in Second Life you are teleporting to. Now you can see in the background picture at the moment there's a totally different place because that's my home place. But when I get to Avalon, this is what happens. You can probably see that little sign. It says welcome area. Whenever you teleport to a place in Second Life, the place you arrive at is always called a welcome area. And that's from there you can move on. Now what you can see around you is Avalon Island. And the first question is, so how do you move around? Now, if you have a look on your keyboard, somewhere you'll probably find some up, down, left and right arrows. And it's using these that you move around. If you press on the right key, your avatar looks around to the right. If you press on the left key, your avatar looks around to the left. And if you first turn round a bit, if I turn to my right, and then press on the up key, my avatar moves forward. And press on the down key, and my avatar moves back. Now, if you have got the kind of keyboard where you can't find these up and down keys very easily, you'll notice that you can bring these keys up in a little box on the on your screen. It's the view menu, and the thing itself is called movement controls. Now at the moment I'm going to click that and make them disappear. Now they've gone. Now I'm going to go back to the view menu and go back again to movement controls, and they come back again. Now with these I can do the same thing. I can walk forward, I can walk back, I can turn, and I can move off to my right without falling off the edge of the platform. So these ones here are useful little keys if you don't want to use the up and down arrows. Now then, as we come around, hey look, there's a sign there, it says village. So let's walk down the road, walk down the hill towards the village. This is going nice and slowly, isn't it? I wonder if there's a quicker way I can move around. Alright, look down at the bottom of the screen, these blue buttons at the bottom, and you can see the fly button. If you click on that, hey presto, you're up in the air. And this time, the movement keys do the same thing as they do when you're walking, except you're flying. find that when you fly around Avalon Island, you fly a lot more quickly. You won't go across to the next island and come back again. And when you go through trees, it looks like that. And you'll see as you fly around, things start being rebuilt all around you. If that takes more time than you've got, take it easy. Those buildings will soon appear. And when you want to go down to the ground again, you'll notice that the button you clicked on to say fly now says stop flying. So we'll stop flying. There we go. And start walking again. And here, if I come up here, we're in front of a very useful place in Avalon, which is the barn. Well, everyone, that's all for now. Look out for the next film, which will be all about teleporting.